Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. I've ordered your favourite strawberry cheesecake and mocha frappe.
Will you be sitting inside or outside?
Inside.
Outside.
Outside?
Today, I am unboxing our Generations Table for Two set, bought from our local Kmart for $40. It is well packaged, but you may need an adult to help cut the plastic tie strings on the back. The set comes with a round table top, 2 modern style chairs and 1 table leg. Some light assembly is needed to connect the tabletop and leg. Once snapped together, the table is surprisingly sturdy. Here I've set up inside our new cafe. The chairs are made from plastic in a lovely powder blue colour. They match perfectly with our cafe serving counter. The table has a shiny finish that looks like modern glass top tables. You get 2 colourful weaved placemats and 2 sets of cutlery. These are similar to other OG pieces, but have white painted handles. You get 2 spoons, 2 forks, 2 knives and 2 pink striped napkins with pink plastic flower napkin ring. I like that you can remove everything during play or for photography, then put it all back together again. The table is a great size. It easily fits 2 meals plus drinks. The plates are from Blair's collection and they coordinate perfectly with this set. You probably have enough space to serve 2 more doll meals. Along with the cutlery and placemats, you also get 2 different size vases, but sadly no flowers. They are made from a coloured plastic. Let's do the all-important sitting test. With some effort you can get your doll to sit upright, but these chairs are slippery and Kira will fall off if bumped. Here I put the table in place between Kira's feet, after she was seated. I hope this unboxing was helpful. I like this Our Generation piece and recommend it. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and click the bell icon so you can get notified when a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.